on. Thank you, Cinderella. She's so
I'm gonna roll the window up. Hey Sierra, I'm gonna roll the window up.
Why?
So you have to keep your head in the car.
Go. Roll it up. Oh no. Uh-oh.
Okay, kid lock.
It's okay. It's not okay.
Aisha, tuck your things in.
This one? Put that
Yeah.
in the mouth. Ew.
Don't touch him.
Okay, let's go home.
No. This is for the phone.
You need to go to McDonald's.
You want your ice cream? You want your tub of ice cream?
Yeah. Who wouldn't?
I'm glad you guys aren't crying.
I'm gonna be okay. I think I'm not gonna be okay at all. I'm begging. Ah!
Aisha, tuck yours in.
No,
No, don't take him out.
Why
Don't take him
not?
out.
I'm begging.
Don't put it in quite so far. You can't remove him, honey.
Begging.
Aisha, tuck yours in further.
I can't. Come on. What? Ew. Come on, let me go. Have a good day. Ew.
Okay, sissy, don't put that back in.